Hello and welcome to the October 2020 construction update on Serenity 4212, a master plan multi-staged waterfront residential community on the stunning northern shores of Queensland's Gold Coast. I'm here with Gary Hegarty, the project manager of Serenity 4212 from Golden Contractors. Gary, congratulations, you're on schedule.
Yes, thanks John, yes.
The estate's really coming together and looking fantastic. Let's start with Lake Serenity Boulevard. We've got some imported cobblestone and pavers which you've had teams of men working hundreds of hours to deliver this really fine detail, haven't you?
We have. There's been over a couple of 100 square meters of the cobbles and pavers that have gone into the job site, and literally the cobbles are like a dimension of 100 mils by 100 mils, so it is very labour intensive.
Very intricate work. And now I noticed the asphalt started to go down. What stage are we at with finishing the road off?
So basically the asphalt is currently underway at the moment. We've finished phase 1 asphalt, and we're basically working on phase 2 to 4 asphalt.
And that's the end of the project completely,
Correct.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. And what about the services to the actual allotments? Are they all completed now?
All the services are complete in its entirety. We are doing electrical reticulation, which is carrying on at the moment, and following that we've got some water services to take through to the property boundaries.
So what's the program for Golding to be completed from your side of things?
In its entirety, we're probably looking at early November.
Now, just taking us down to the western boundary to the Serenity Green stage, you're doing some works down there as well, getting that site prepared.
Yes, works commenced there. We've hooked up to an external sewer, and obviously had to do quite sort of deep sewer manhole construction over there, which took place successfully. And as well as that, we've done an electrical tunnel bore there as well to get those services across to a pad mount transformer on the stage 6 side at Serenity Greens. And yeah, that's all underway now with roadworks happening as we speak.
Well, thanks again for joining us today. You've done a fantastic job. Goldings have been outstanding and delivering the job on time and on schedule. Thanks again. Well, we're coming to you now from our first park within Serenity Waters, and I've got with us Jake Bubb, who's the project manager for Penfolds Projects. G'day, Jake, how are you?
Good, John, how are you?
Yeah, good, thanks, mate. Well, we're standing in the first park here and there's a lot of activity I can see. Give us a bit of an update of what the program is here.
So we've put in the sandstone block walls with the curves, which will give a nice terrace view down to the water. As you can see, we've put in the play equipment, and we're now moving on to putting in the large ex-ground trees and getting all the concrete areas ready for the parkland and for the flat areas for our playgrounds, and also for the barbecue areas.
Fantastic. Yeah, look, it's looking spectacular, and certainly going to be a magnificent place for Serenity Waters residents to come down and enjoy a barbecue, understanding that this is a private park for Serenity Waters residents only, and there's only 110 homes. So Jake, I noticed that the Canary Island date palms are starting to arrive into the estate.
Yeah, that's correct. Penfold Projects and Keelan Group have gone out to some of the nurseries, and we've gone out and hand-picked the ones we want to use here on the project.
Yes.
We've gone through a size, height, best canopy that can come out of it, and also we're going to end up pruning all these up and to give them a wine glass finish. So they'll actually come up quite nicely.
And just moving back to this Helensvale Road entrance.
Yes.
I've noticed that you've started to put some Canary Islands there. How many are going along the central boulevard there of Lake Serenity?
So the whole job in total, there's going to be 24 of the Canary Island palms,
Okay.
but down the main strip there's going to be 16 in total, with 5 Cubans that reach up from 10 to 12 metres high by the stage 11 gates.
Wow, that's amazing. And I noticed on Helensvale Road you've started the fence detailing as well.
Yes, correct. So we've already started with the block retaining walls. They change heights, and they've also got quite a nice curve line on them. Once we've finished completing the walls, then we put in a gabion wall in front of that, and that also changes in height and has a curve on it. And then there's an aluminium fence element to the centre of it as well.
Beautiful, and those elements run through the whole estate, also being the entrance into Serenity Waters, which you're looking after?
Yes, correct. So there's about 3 or 4 different entrances that have the same sort of looking aspect on it.
Yep.
The walls curve quite considerably, and they get quite a decent height on them, so they'll be quite an entrance statement once we've done them.
Beautiful, and I've noticed on Lake Serenity Boulevard within the estate, streetscaping starting to take place?
Yes, yeah. So all the street trees have started going in. We've marked them out, and that gets us down to about halfway through the block. And the next thing that we're looking at is all the turf through the central islands there as well.
All right, Jake, we'll appreciate your time today.
Yeah, cool.
You're doing a great job and it's looking magnificent. Look forward to seeing the finished product.
Thanks, John.
If you'd like to know more, our sales office is open 7 days a week, located at 480 Helensvale Road, Helensvale. We'd love to see you.